All right, so what are the top mistakes that inventors make that I see them making as they go through the patent process? Hi, I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. I'm also the author of Bold Ideas, the Inventor's Guide to Patents. You can get a copy of that book, the PDF version, the link below right here for the Bold Inventors Kit. Download it right now, subscribe to our channel, and watch our videos each day as I go through some valuable lessons for you, the inventor, entrepreneur, business owner. I've taught many inventors over the past 10 years, getting almost 500 patents as of today. So let's get to it. What are the top issues, problems, mistakes that I see inventors make as they go through the patent process? I would say number one, first and foremost, is not seeking advice, doing it on your own. Okay, that's issue number one. Yes, you're smart, an inventor, right? A tinker, an entrepreneur. You're going to DIY. That is by your nature. You're going to make this happen. If you have that spark of innovation and the motivation to move your product to the market, you're on fire about it. And so you will probably try or think about doing it on your own. I urge you not to. I urge you to find counsel. It doesn't have to be our firm, but use a lawyer that is trained in patent law. It's a very nuanced, very specialized area of law where there's even a separate bar, a patent bar. Because that is what the level of sophistication you need to be at to make sure that you get the right level of rights, the overall invention right that you deserve if you could come up with something really revolutionary. So don't do it on your own because you'll sell yourself short. Take the time, hire a counsel, and focus on what's important for you, which is the invention. The biggest mistake number two is early disclosure. Just sharing it public, knowledge, right? Sharing your invention on stage, taking it to a trade show before filing. It's a huge no-no. Please don't do that. Speak with counsel, talk with attorney, get that patent filed to make sure you have that all-important priority date and you don't miss that really narrow 1 year statutory limit on filing your invention. Number two, I would say, is losing hope. I would say just because after doing a patent search, you find prior art that's similar, you have to believe that your product and the motivation you have to stand on the shoulders of those that have come before you is vital. So yes, you will find what's called prior art, previous inventions, publications that are similar to yours, especially after doing a patent search. Don't give up. Don't feel like, oh, someone else has already done something similar. I'm only doing mine a little bit differently. Look hard, analyze the market, and see if it's sizable enough for you to go to market with that differentiation. As you go through the process, I would say the last one here is getting rejected by the examiner. This happens to every single application, and it's actually good news, but it can be quite deflating. And I see a lot of inventors give up halfway through the process after they get that first rejection. It's going to happen. It's very, very likely. I mean, 91% of the time, if you write a good application, you should be asking in your claims for the maximum amount of protection, for the maximum amount of rights. And in that case, the examiner is going to push back or find something. Maybe, hey, you were a little bit overly broad here, or I found this piece of prior art and it looks a little bit too close to what you're asking and claiming for. That is a natural back and forth, part of the negotiation that happens between you and hopefully your advocate, your attorney, to advocate for you against that examiner. So don't lose hope. Don't feel like you're completely rejected after hearing that. Battle, do the work, fight for your rights, get the broadest rights possible for your patent protection. So I'd say those are the most common mistakes I see. And again, most of these are emotional because a lot of the inventors, the founders that we have are technical. They have so much heart, and they're really the beginnings of what might become a fantastic company, product, solution for the market. And we want you to succeed. So that's it for today. I want to wrap up. I'm JD Houvener, patent attorney, owner here at Bold Patents Law Firm. Again, if you haven't had a chance to do so yet, please click below. That is your Bold Inventor Kit. It's got a copy of my whole book, a lot of our tutorial and guides for patent searching, patent application options you've got, and again, able to answer any questions. If you do have any final questions about this video, please pop a question below. I personally will respond to them. I look forward to hearing from you. Take care, everybody. Have a wonderful day today. Go big, go bold.